1, 2. Test micro. Bon, j'espère que ça va. J'espère qu'on m'entend beaucoup. Parce que j'espère vraiment. Mais bon, si on m'entend pas beaucoup, c'est pas grave. J'irai voir la prochaine fois. Au moins, c'était des options. Autre connerie. Oh yeah. On va recommencer. C'est pas grave. Musique. Ok. Bruitage.
The Hinokami Chronicles.
Ok. Normalement, c'était bon. Enfin, je crois, j'espère. Terminé. Ok. C'est bon. Merci. Ok, ok. Normalement, ça va être bon. Ce que j'espère. Ah, il y a d'autres trucs? Ah non, c'est bon. Ok, donc. Avec. Histoire. Du coup, bonjour à tous les amis. Aujourd'hui, on se trouve sur Demon Slayer The Hinokami Chronicles. Et on va faire le chapitre 3. Parce que je peux pas faire le 4 pour l'instant. Donc on fera ça peut-être ce soir ou demain. On verra bien. Ok, allons. Comment ça ne fonctionne pas.
Yes. It may be hard on him to go so soon after his previous mission. But there are rumors of a demon in the area. I'd like him to investigate. There's also this faint feeling I have in my chest. I'd like him to find out what it is. I'm counting on you.
Non, toujours cinématique. Bon, pas grave.
I hope Mr. Kazumi can get back on his feet after what happened. I hope all those families can. I'm still not any closer to turning Nezuko back into a human.
You must head to Asakusa, Tokyo now! Rumor has it, a demon's lurking there! Grah!
I've got another mission already?
Yes, you do, now go!
Could you at least give me a minute?
No time, move it!
Oh man.
Très gentil ce corbeau là. Je vais t'arracher les plumes, hein. Non mais oh. Tu feras attendre pour Noël, toi. Moi, j'y vais pas. Malheureusement. On va aller passer une bonne journée. Ou des bonnes journées, du coup. Je pense que peut-être que j'aurai la rediffusion. On verra bien. Oh, mon petit bouillard.
So this is Asakusa.
Ah, ça coûte ça. Bah, vas-y, Nolan, t'es nul à chier. Très bien.
Whoa.
Ah,
The
je peux
night is as
bouger.
bright as the day here.
Bah oui.
It's totally different from living in the
Vous
mountains.
êtes là. Bonjour, monsieur.
When does everyone sleep?
Avec la petite moustache.
Huh?
C'est déjà une blague. Pas faire maman. Je me demande qu'est-ce que c'est.
Listen up!
Oh là. Je ne touche pas à ça, je viens de le nettoyer. C'est un objet rare et je parle même pas du prix. Ne mets pas tes mains sales dessus. Ah bah super.
Jeez!
Allez, va-t'en.
I see.
Ah, désolé. Bah super. Il est très gentil, Charlie Chaplin. Super. Allez, on y va. Ah, quelqu'un qui frappe les mains. Bonjour. Alors, c'est votre frère de l'autre côté ou il y a juste le chapeau qui change, hein.
Huh?
Je me demande ce qu'il y a dans cette main.
Ah!
Essaye de voir. Oh, tu t'intéresses au Shingeki Toki. Au Shingeki. C'est une version accidentale. Occidentale. Ah oui, non, mais Nolan. Oh, c'est pas lire. Oh là 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 là. Retourne à l'école. Donc, occidentale, moderne du théâtre, pardon. C'est ce qu'il y a de plus intéressant ici à Asakusa. Oh, vraiment, je ne savais pas. Pas forcément. Ça va être cool. Elle ressemble un peu à Marilyn Monroe, elle, non? Ah, bonjour. Bonjour.
Huh?
Je me demande qu'est-ce que c'est. Ah non, mais
What?
tu essaies de passer devant tout le
Oh.
monde? Mais non, je suis derrière toi.
Goodness.
Malade, lui. Les gens sont si nombreux à utiliser que c'est devenu presque impossible de passer à un appel. Donc, on ne peut pas y faire grand chose. Ça permet parler à des gens qui vivent dans lycée. Un téléphone, quoi. D'accord, je vois. Ah, c'est vrai, j'ai oublié qu'ils étaient de l'ancien temps. Faut pas courir là. C'est bon. Oh, des posters.
Huh?
Quelle belle femme. Ces mains sont si colorées et brillantes que j'en suis presque aveuglé. Je parie que ces micros seraient très jolis à déposer. Ah, t'es trop chou. Ah bah super. Comment être mignonne, elle est fatiguée en plus. Pardon. Pardon. Vas-y, vas-y, vas-y.
Nezuko looks like she's getting tired.
Ça va être fatigué.
Maybe I should let her rest.
Poser. La rendre dans la boîte. Ok, allons-y.
Incredible! And overwhelming.
Tout intense.
This is making me
Tête qui tourne.
let's go over there,
Allons de ce
Nezuko.
côté, Nezuko. Ok. Et on m'entend pas?
I've never been to a place like this before. It's way too crowded. That scent. Why is it here? And why now? I remember. It's the same scent that was left in my home. Muzan Kibutsuji!
Combat à mort à Asakusa. Et je me rappelle plus de c'est qui, si je me trompe pas. Parce que ça fait.
He's here, just up ahead.
Pour moi que j'ai regardé l'animé.
I won't let him get away.
J'ai regardé l'animé.
Not a chance!
Ah, je peux enfin courir, yes. Il est où celui-là? Il est où? Poussez-vous. Je dois passer.
No good. I can't go this way. I have to find another way through.
Vas-y, les gens qui
Quick!
bloquent le chemin là. Ah, par là, ok. Ok.
He's here.
Il y a pas d'odeur.
He's here. He's so close.
Moi, je sens rien là. Un chat! Pardon.
Calm down. Calm down.
Attendez, recule, attends. C'est quoi ça là? Il y a un truc jaune, c'est quoi? Oh non, je le veux. Il me faut, comment on monte? Il me faut, c'est de l'argent là. Ah! Coucou toi. Bah alors, on essaie de se cacher.
Okay.
Non mais oh. 50 points, bon c'est pas beaucoup mais ça fait l'affaire. C'est pas non plus. Bon bah, pas grave hein. On va passer quelque part d'autre.
This way.
Ouais,
It's
bah,
coming from over here.
bah attends.
Okay.
50 150, oui. Ah, il y a un petit peu de chemin. Je trouve
I'm
pas
still
d'odeur.
picking up the scent. I can do this. I won't let him get away.
Ok.
That vile scent.
Il est où, lui?
It's getting stronger. He's close.
Il est tout droit là-bas. Attendez, il y a peut-être un truc à regarder, non?
No, it's not this way. I've got to keep it
Bah, ça
together.
va, je regardais s'il n'y avait pas des petits trucs. Oh là là. Poussez-vous. Oh là, vous prenez trop de place ici.
Hurry, 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 hurry.
Vite. Ok. Tu le vois ou pas? Il est là, je le vois. Il est très très grand. Mec, c'est un immeuble.
Muzan Kibutsuji!
Daddy? Who's that?
He's... What is this? Is he... He's living here posing as a human!
I'm sorry, is there something I can do for you? Do you need help? You seem a bit flustered.
Darling, what's the matter?
They're human. The girl and the woman, their scent is human. But how? Can't you tell? This guy is a demon. He eats people.
Who is this boy?
I really don't know. I'm just as confused as you are. I've never seen him before. He must have made a mistake. Thought that I was someone else.
Oh, you think that's it?
What's going on? Are you all right, sweetheart?
Oh, la
Can you
pauvre.
stop? Stop it!
Sweetheart!
Listen, you need to worry about yourself, ma'am. It's all right. It will turn out fine. The woman's wound doesn't look fatal. This man hasn't killed anyone yet. Damn it all! I can't leave this man alone here. Muzanke Butsuchi! No matter where you go, I promise you won't escape me!
What's the matter with that boy, Tsukihiko? Tsukihiko?
I'll follow you to the ends of hell! And my blade will be the last thing you see! I'll never forgive you for what you've done!
Those Hanafuda earrings.
What the hell's going on over here? Another drunk. Step away from that man right now, kid.
I can't. Bring restraints to hold him down! Quickly!
Get away from him! Get up!
Please don't do that! I'm the only one who can hold him back!
I said get off!
Let me go! I don't want this person to kill anybody! Just stay out of the way! Someone could get hurt!
Scent of illusory blood. Visual dream.
Tamayo.
That smell. What is it?
Huh? What's with the flowers? What the hell is this? I can't see anything!
Is this some kind of spell? That could mean trouble. What?
You. I beg your pardon, but I noticed you called that man a person, even though he is now, in fact, a demon. And now, you're trying to save him. So if it's quite all right with you, I'd like to lend a hand.
Why in the world would you? You're sent. I know what you are.
I know you do. Yes, I am a demon, but I'm also a doctor. I want to help, and I want to destroy Kibutsuji.
Just who are you anyway?
Let's
Je veux
talk
que ça
more about this
m'assourit.
later. First, we need to
C'est pour ma
treat
souris,
these
je suis dans
people.
la mouise, hein.
I'll take them to my clinic. Will you come with us?
Clinic? But... my sister's waiting for me to come get her, actually.
I see. I'll go ahead and take these two in for treatment then. Yushiro, please show him the way when he is ready.
Me? But I don't want to be separated from you.
Yushiro, do as I say.
Yes, ma'am.
Ah, il tremble comme une
Well
feuille.
then, I shall see you again soon.
Je pense qu'elle lui a fait boire de la Red Bull. Je suis pas sûr, hein, mais...
Nezuko. Nezuko!
Huh?
I'm so sorry, Nezuko. I left you behind.
Elle est en train de pioncer. Bah, dis donc.
Huh?
Oh. Yushiro's safe. He'll guide us from here.
The place we're going is hidden by a concealment spell. If you weren't with me, you'd never find it.
Under concealment?
Oh yeah, before we go. Did you know that girl is a demon? And not much to look at either.
What was that? Did he just... Doesn't that mean ugly? But who?
Bah, ta sœur.
Nezuko? You gotta be out of your mind! Who would look at Nezuko and think she's ugly? She was the most beautiful girl in our hometown, you know that?
Let's go.
I know, we're already coming! But take back what you said about her!
Ah, le grand frère Gaga. traîne pas. Dame Tamayo nous attend. On arrive. Ah. Ah, je crois que c'est une nouvelle image qu'on a eue. Une nouvelle image. Il ne devrait pas être aussi lent. Moi, je ne laisserai jamais entre dans notre endroit secret.
Hey, you!
Oh,
Allez là, je veux jouer
what the? Huh?
en odeur.
Ah! That's odd. The scent suddenly stops here. What could this
Ah,
mean?
la quart de 3/4.
Do I just keep going?
Il fallait partir à Poudlard lui. Inspecter. Bon. Bah Nezuko elle a pas eu le truc. Nezuko c'est un c'est un
You're
fantôme.
slow. Hey! I already explained this to you, didn't I? This is my concealment spell. It's what I use to hide Lady Tamayo's clinic. That's why you won't find it unless you're with...
All right, but you need to go a little slower, or else I...
Let's get on with it. We will not have Lady Tamayo wait.
Ok.
And off he goes.
Allons-y. Ah, toujours pas de démon à tuer là. Si vous pourrez l'odeur de Yuichiro près d'un mur, vous saurez que celui-ci est un faux. C'est un faux, pardon. Utilisez suivre l'odeur avec RT, nana, pour découvrir la supercherie. Examiner un faux mur pour passer à travers. Ok.
If I don't get closer, I'm gonna lose his scent. Why can't he just wait for us?
Pars pas trop vite. Ah, attendez.
Okay.
Yuichiro, attends-moi. Non mais...
Oh, jeez. How is he so fast?
Je sais pas, un turo dans le cul. Ah, un démon. Wesh, Wolverine, qu'est-ce que tu fous dedans là? Ah, je vais te tabasser. Hein. Quoi? Entrer en contact avec du poison. Oh là là! Il y a du poison maintenant.
Damn weakling!
C'est quoi ce... Wesh, non, non, non. Ah, il m'a niqué. Non, 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 attends. Lui qui est dans le jeu, je suis pas non plus. Oula. Toi. Bon. La technique que j'ai faite c'était magnifique là. Vas-y, viens, viens, viens. Bah alors. Madame. Oh, mais c'est quoi? Ouais. Comment ça?
Now's my chance!
Ah, bleu. Et là on va lui couper la tête. Allez. Voilà. Bien joué Nezuko. Elle a fait diversion.
Why do I feel so frustrated? Wait, I know. It's because he called Nezuko ugly.
Oh, le chat. Mais si. Il me donne l'endroit. Tu peux monter. On fait ça là. Il y a bien un passage quand même. Non, je crois que c'était un truc. Y'a pas de passage ici? Non. Bon, ah si, attends. Ah non. Bon, ok, pas grave. Ah, le mur.
Yushiro
Il est
just
là-bas.
doesn't get it.
Attends-moi.
Nezuko isn't ugly.
Non, Nezuko elle est pas moche. Réfléchis.
Yushiro's scent is getting weaker. This isn't the right way. I have to turn around.
Grand-mère, faudrait peut-être que tu rentres un peu, non? Il va peut-être faire froid. Oh, le chat! J'adore les chats noirs, franchement. Ils sont trop magnifiques. Encore un démon? Je sens le démon là.
Stay focused.
Ça va être un démon.
Don't lose the scent.
Oh yes!
I'm not picking up Yushiro's
On va
scent.
prendre le truc au-dessus.
Don't tell me I went the wrong way.
Je peux prendre ou pas? Putain mais... Tanjiro t'es nul hein, tu sais même pas escalader. Maman elle est là. Même pas besoin de suivre l'odeur. Hein. Faut un chien. Ah bah ouais, le démon.
You're mine!
Allez, tête. Bien joué. Là. Non. Ah, il m'a eu.
Let's try that again! The opening thread!
C'est bon. En S. Eh bah super.
I have to catch up to Yushiro so we can take a look at Nezuko again!
Ok, ok. Est-ce que je peux avoir le petit truc ou pas maintenant? Oh, je crois que je peux l'avoir.
I'm not picking up Yushiro's scent. Don't tell me I went the wrong
Du coup, je
way.
commence à avoir beaucoup de points. Hein. Je me demande si je peux pas acheter quelque chose d'autre. Parce qu'en fait, ça sert à acheter des images. Donc, s'il n'y a pas d'autres petits points, non. Ok, bon. Bon. Je vais tout casser chez moi là. Donc, je suis encore désolé pour ma voix, parce qu'on n'entend pas beaucoup. Je pense que c'est un casque. C'est un Recon, hein. Recon 70. Donc normalement, c'est une bonne marque, mais bon. Visiblement, pour moi, ça
There's
fonctionne
an
pas.
entire house hidden
J'ai
back
des merdes,
here?
moi, pour faire de live.
Hurry up! You better make sure you don't offend the lady in any way.
Oui, oui, t'inquiète.
Come in.
Hmm.
I've returned, my
madame.
lady.
I'm sorry that I left everything for you to take care of. So how's she doing?
She'll make a full recovery. But her husband had to be locked up. He's restrained in the basement.
Le pauvre.
Isn't it
sous-sol.
difficult treating humans? With all that blood, I mean.
Is that what you think? She chokes back her own drool when she treats a human? 'Cause demons can't control themselves?
Don't do
Il
that.
est méchant avec moi, lui.
Treating humans is
il
not
fait
all that
prendre des
difficult,
chefs.
actually. At least for me. But it is different for other demons. I have modified my body's physiology quite considerably. And I've removed Kibutsuji's curse.
What curse? And what kind of changes?
Why don't we go somewhere we can sit down and talk? I need to hear your side of the story as well. I see. Now I understand what happened. In that case, I think I can certainly be of help to you. But first, I would like to continue where I left off and tell you a bit more about ourselves. As I said earlier, we are demons. However, I made several adjustments to our bodies so we could continue to live without harming any human beings. As a result, we can survive on just a small amount of human blood.
Wait, blood? So you're saying...
I understand if you find it distasteful, but I buy it from those in poverty. I tell them I'll use it for transfusions. But of course, I never take enough blood to impair anyone.
No wonder. That would explain why neither one of them has the same scent as a normal demon.
And Yushiro needs even less blood than I do, since I'm the one who turned him into a demon.
You turned him? But how?
How did I do it? Well, as far as anyone knows, Kibutsuji is the only one who can create demons. And that is more or less accurate. I tried for over 200 years, and still Yushiro was my only successful transformation.
What?
Je suis pas sûr.
I'm sorry, I should clarify. Creating more demons is not one of my goals. I only attempt to do so when necessary, on the terminally ill or injured, and only when they won't otherwise survive. And even in those cases, I always ask in advance if they would truly prefer to live on as a demon.
Her scent is pure. No signs of deception. I think I can trust her. Miss Tamayo, once someone becomes a demon, is there a way to turn them back again?
A way to make a demon human again? There is.
Please, tell me how!
There's always some form of medicine or aid, no matter the wound or ailment. That said, I don't yet know how to turn a demon back into a human. But I promise we will find a way. We are quite dedicated to establishing such a treatment. The first step involves studying the blood of a number of different demons, which means I have 2 favors to ask you. First, I'd like permission to study your sister's blood. Second, we need more samples. I'd like you to retrieve them from demons that have Kibutsuji's blood running strong through their veins. Nezuko's condition is extremely rare, perhaps entirely unique. I understand she was asleep for 2 years. I believe her body changed during that time. In most cases, that long without food, neither human flesh nor the blood of an animal, would undoubtedly cause any demon to grow violent. However, against all odds, Nezuko is showing none of those signs. That miracle could be the key to finding a solution.
Nezuko.
But my second request is not a simple one. When I say demons with Kibutsuji's blood, I mean demons with powers like those of Kibutsuji himself. Extracting blood from that kind of demon won't be easy. So what do you think? Are these requests acceptable, if not pleasant?
If it's really the only way, then I'll do it. Besides, if you study all that blood, and you can create this medicine, then it won't just be Nezuko, will it? A whole lot of other people will be saved too.
Yes, they will.
Du coup, je vous ai mis mon YouTube et mon
Oh no!
TikTok
Get down!
dans le chat. Vous abonner. C'est ok, ma chaîne YouTube. C'est là que je mettais.
Turns out you were right, Yahaba. This building just materialized out of nowhere.
The handiwork of someone using a blood demon art that can hide objects. But that won't erase their footprints. You can't fool my
Alors là,
eyes.
beaucoup j'esquive, hein. C'est avec les ballons là.
We're supposed to be tracking down a demon slayer. But is he keeping company with demons? I have to say, Susumaru, your way of doing things is just so immature. Utterly careless.
Oh, stop whining. Who cares about dust? My Tamari just uncovered their hiding place.
Did Kibutsuji send those 2?
Their scents are different than any other demons I've ever met. They're stronger. Or thicker, maybe. It feels heavy inside my lungs.
Oh, we're looking for a demon slayer who wears Hanafuda earrings. That would be you, right?
They're targeting me?
Who's having fun? I know I sure am. You're about to be killed by one of the 12 Kizuki. Doesn't that make you feel special?
12 Kizuki?
They're directly under
Est-ce
Kibutsuji.
qu'on va se faire une petite bagarre avec Nezuko? Normalement,
Now
oui.
then, let the games continue until morning comes and you're all dead!
Miss Tamayo, are these the kind of demons you need?
I'd presume so.
Got it. All right, then their blood will be yours!
Ok, let's go! Ouais, viens là, ma belle.
Let's have some fun!
You stupid demon slayer! Look what's on your forehead!
Your head? Oh, there's a talisman. When did that get there?
I will lend you my vision through that talisman!
Aïe.
With my vision, you'll be able to see the arrow's movements!
Très bien.
So hurry up and cut their heads off!
I had no idea he could do this. Thank you.
Bisous, ton pote. Oula.
Come at me.
Earrings, earrings! If I defeat him, I'll be the favorite for sure.
Arrête.
Indeed. Let's get this over with.
Thanks to Yushiro, I can see the ball's trajectories. Now to finish this.
Let's finish this.
Follow my lead, Yahaba. Just try to avoid this!
No way.
Aïe, elle m'a touché. Avec un chat m'a touché.
Well, aren't you a tough one to crack?
Don't stop. I have to keep moving. I need to go faster.
Mais elle arrive.
Watch your back! Don't let your guard down! If they really are part of the 12 Kizuki, don't underestimate them! They're
du coup,
more
j'ai pas
powerful than
fini.
any other demon you've faced!
Let's finish this.
Encore?
Follow my lead, Yahaba.
Je vais y passer.
Right. Keep my guard up and watch my back. Just be careful. And breathe. Okay, here I go.
Hey, Susumaru. Can't you use your head a bit more? My kimono is covered with dust.
Ah, elle est malade.
Stop whining. Your kimono
Arrête.
looks just fine to me. How'd you get to be so uptight anyway?
Lady Tamayo, let's escape while they're all distracted.
Tiens. Coup de tête, espèce de folle.
I'm just kidding!
C'est le... Tiens. C'est pas fini, hein. Au cas où.
Not bad for an amateur.
Now we're talking!
Oh. Can you believe our luck? We've found Tamayo the fugitive. She'll make quite a souvenir.
Hey, Yahaba. You think 4 heads will be enough for us to take home?
Too many. We only need 2. Demon Slayer and the fugitive. We have no use for the others.
Well, I'm still gonna have some fun before we take the Demon Slayer's head. Let's get that woman's head first. Now! Die!
Nezuko. Can she handle this? If Nezuko keeps one of them busy, it will be easier to focus on the other one. But... no, this isn't the time to be worrying. We just have to do it. Nezuko, you go after one of them, and I'll defeat the other. You just have to keep them distracted until then.
Du coup, est-ce que je vais jouer là, Nezuko, ou
You're
pas?
going to fight me on your
pense que
own?
oui.
How foolish.
Oh, yes!
My
Viens la
tail
meuf.
will rip a hole through your body.
Je vais te déglinguer.
Not bad. You're damn fast.
Aïe!
Get out of my sight.
C'est malade. Wow. C'était magnifique.
You're damn fast. Okay, time to get serious. You won't dodge this one.
Tu penses combien de trucs là?
Dare you? Hurry and bite the dust.
Ah, elle veut pas, hein?
You're a stubborn one. How fun. I'm gonna play with you until you break.
Oui, oui, oui.
Get out of my sight.
Malade. Ah,
You're done for. Hurry up and die. You're damn
non!
Get out of my
Ah merde!
You're damn
Elle peut briser mon bouclier malheureusement.
You think you can
Mais il chante On peut plus de temps.
How could this happen? Why am I having so much trouble fighting a little girl? Okay, time to get
Oh mais elle fait... Alors qu'on la fasse hein. Ah il est fou.
This is nothing but Nezuko's own strength. She has been able to make herself rapidly grow more powerful without letting anything use
C'est bon, je l'ai tué. Enfin, non, pas encore, mais...
Why, you little...
Lady Tamio. She's actually managing to push her back.
Yes, but both being demons, at this rate they'll be at a stalemate until dawn breaks. I must do something.
Ok. Donc là je me bats avec lui, celui avec les flèches. Ok.
Time for you to disappear, you filthy little demon slayer. And in the cruelest way imaginable.
I have to calm down. I can't afford to get distracted. I just have to keep an eye out for opportunities to get closer until there's nowhere for him to run. Come on, I can do it!
Ok, ok. Donc là faut que j'évite quand même pas mal.
Pitiful fool! The more I look at you, the filthier you seem. I won't let you get near me.
He's using those arrows to keep me away. Can't let it throw me off. I have to keep pushing forward. Water wheel!
Ah! Qu'est-ce que c'est que ça là? Ok.
You go! Water wheel!
Stop kicking up
Je vais
dust
pas te laisser,
everywhere.
mon frère.
Do not irk me, you pathetic human.
Even if
I'll make you pay for this!
Oh. Calme. Oh! T'es pas loin là. Wesh! Aïe, ok. Ah mais non! Laisse-moi. Non mais... Genre, il me prend. Laisse-moi. Non mais... J'en peux plus. C'est comme dans l'animé là.
keep moving, getting close, find an opening, cut off his head. I know I can win this.
Will you die already? You're so stubborn, you damn demon slayer!
Oh mon dieu.
Waterfall basin. This will end it.
Ok.
Water breathing. Transform. Constant flux.
C'est magnifique. Oh c'est magnifique.
Time for you to die.
Twist. Envelop. Twisting whirlpool. Flowing water.
Not a chance!
My sword is so heavy. But I've got this. Second form. Improve. I'll get his blood. I have to. I need that medicine. No matter what. I'll fight whatever demons I have to and take out every single one. Lateral water wheel.
Je l'ai eu. Yes.
I did it.
You damn brat!
J'ai fini, il manque
I
l'autre encore.
just needed to bring him your head. That's all it would have taken to finally win his approval. I'll never forgive you. I'll make sure you pay for what you've done to me! My face is filthy now! I swear I'll bring you down with me!
Oh no! He's got me! Ah! I have to use every move I have to stop him, or my body will be crushed! Fourth form! Striking tide! Do something! Think fast! Don't get beaten! Not here! Water wheel! Waterfall basin!
Whoa.
Water surface slash! Drop ripple thrust! Whirlpool!
Aïe. Je me suis relevée comme une merde.
I cracked my rib and broke my leg. It's no use. I'm so exhausted. I can't even hold my sword. I gotta go. I gotta get over there. There's one more demon left. Hang on. I'm coming. I'll be there soon. Please be safe. Just hang on.
Mais c'est pas fini, il faut encore la meuf avec les ballons là. Ah non, elle est morte aussi.
Is it over? Is she dead?
She will be momentarily. This is Kibutsuji's curse. The cells he left in her body rip her apart from the inside. Tanjiro, this demon we fought is not one of the 12 Kizuki.
What?
The 12 Kizuki all have numbers engraved on their eyeballs, but she doesn't have one. Which means that the other demon likely doesn't either. They were too weak.
Too weak? Really?
But with any luck, this blood will still be instrumental for us in developing a cure.
Bah voilà. Ouais, je pense que j'aurais pu me faire l'autre aussi, hein, franchement.
It's a bit strange. She's been acting like this ever
Il est
since
énervé.
she woke up. I wonder if she's all right.
She's just fine. If I were to guess, I'd say she thinks of you both as family.
Thinks of us as family? But I thought the spell Nezuko was under only made her see humans as family. Yushiro and I are demons.
Not to Nezuko. You two are as human as anyone to her. She wanted to protect you. You know, I didn't like the idea of that spell at first, but she still seems to have a will of her own, so... I'm so sorry! Nezuko, stop it! Get away from her, you're being very rude!
Thank you. Thank you so much, Nezuko.
Oh, c'est trop chou.
Would you still desire to live? Even if it costs you your humanity? You will indeed succumb to your illness if you don't. But I must warn you. Losing your humanity, it is a painful experience. Yushiro and I will be leaving this region. It's far too risky to stay here now that Kibutsuji is so close. We need a new place to hide. And although I have been careful to keep my identity hidden, after treating so many humans, it is likely some of them have realized I am a demon. So, Tanjiro,
Yes?
in the interest of protecting Nezuko, would you like us to take her with us when we go?
Huh?
Obviously, I can't promise her safety, but I believe she'll be in less danger with us than she would in battle.
Maybe she's right. Wherever they end up, Nezuko would be safer with them. Miss Tamayo, thank you for your concern. But Nezuko's staying with me. Nothing will tear us apart. No, never again.
Yes, I understand. Well, I wish you good fortune then.
All right. We will be leaving as soon as we cover our tracks. You should get moving as well.
You're right. And good luck. Thank you for everything you've done for us. Let's go, Nezuko.
Tanjiro. Your little sister. I guess she is a beauty.
Fin. C'est un peu long, bizarrement. Et, ah ouais, donc un chapitre ça ferait 50 minutes. Et bah. Bon bah apparemment j'ai pas vraiment eu de... Ah si, j'ai eu un A. Rang final A. Mais j'ai que des S. Bah ouais, j'ai que des S. Ça devrait être un S normalement, non? Bon bah. C'est pas grave. Ouais, voilà. On a fini le chapitre 3. Et du coup, peut-être qu'on pourra... bah du coup, peut-être ce soir ou demain, on fera le chapitre 4. Et, ah, il n'y a que le 4, ok. Il reste plus que le 4 pour demain ou ce soir, on sait jamais. Donc merci de m'avoir regardé.